Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Rapi Ahpatin Harahap with student number 2003-05-0021. Class today, I will present a presentation about the physiological problems of character by EVL student in the speaking class at the Islamic University English education class. Okay, I will explain the introduce to speaking. The problem faced by student is really a miscarriage, and it is beneficial for teacher and students. The analysis is that teacher can find out more where they can find problems that can hinder their student during class speaking, that try to avoid and solve a problem with students. All these problems cannot be spared from students' speaking skill and allow them to really take the time to speak during the learning class. Focus on finding or analyzing the physiological problems faced by students in the subject of speaking for intercultural, social, society class communication in English education from the Islamic University, which consists of self-confidence, law of action, and self-law based on reach from enough. It is called identified. The problem is following: the student can speak English fluently and they don't even want to speak during the speaking class because of lack of knowledge related to the topic being discussed, and some because lack of vocabulary. Speaking skills is a fundamental thing to do. Accuracy and learning English in general is an estimate as a parameter to see how successful language learning is. But in a successful speaking class, students cannot be separated from various problems that hinder them during class. In checking any communication, students have to prepare either the items they are going to say or most of the proper English is a custom that they can take advantage of, such as choice of grammar, pronunciation of words, etc. It takes a lot of effort to express what's on their mind for the stomach and can escape the some problems that are related to them. Speaking though on the other hand, speak English in not staying forward or easy to get even for English students. Student learning and methods. This is a qualitative research decision according to Rugaya 2016. Descriptive, qualitative method, investigative, or illustrative, and verifies phenomenon found during today's skin research. I just describe and interpret phenomena or event found with our further study like defining, correlation, or testing hypothesis of language education. Student English program Islamic University Real Canberra become the location of talking. The study of the data analysis was collected from the second semester student in academic year 2020 or 2021. There we are 15 students or 15 per pack from the population. 76 students were possible choice as the sample by using from 5 random, giving technically regarding today, malas and the irresistible 2020 and reach Arikontom 2006. The instrument is the list of Queen Siri and interview producers of quality data is distributing. Questionnaire and interviewing student peers. Questionnaire we are distributed to the sample second in introduce we are given to the students to make sure all the questions provided we are answered by them. Next, the data collects from the questionnaire. We are analyzing to measure the percentage of a psychological problem indicator, and in conclusion, the EVL student at university Islamic Sharia pass to some problem speaking skills, particularly in the subject of speaking for social intercultural communication class. The data we are analyzing for student answer any questionnaire, they supported by their answer. In the interview, the physical analytical problem that's prominently and cultural the study was law of sound system. They were unable to speak in English as well as most of their friends. Then they felt they had not much to be proud during the class due to several problems most of the student them to feel they were feel because they have not improved their speaking skills. Due to several linguistic problems which involve them at the sum the data we are analyzing from students and severe and assured on a questionnaire, then supported by their answer in their interview. So the psychological problem that stand out and the students state is the law of self. Alright, that's my explanation for me. Hopefully it's useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.